Thanks for watching another video of Structured Solutions tools. This video will introduce you to the tools that help manage dependencies between tasks in different schedules in Microsoft Project. Sometimes a program environment consists of two or more separate projects, often known as subprojects. In this example, the program has a planning and analysis subproject and an implementation subproject. Let's look at the planning and analysis subproject first. Its tasks include perform study, write a report, write a test plan, and neither of these can be done until the study is complete. A task named Develop Cost Model follows the report and plan. Now let's see what the implementation subproject looks like. Its tasks include make drawings, parts list, and test plans. When the drawings and the parts lists are done, they can buy parts. Then they can build and test the product, but only after the test plans are complete and only after the parts have been received. At this point, the implementation team realizes they should not start any of the tasks in their project until they review the documents produced by planning and analysis. So they add an external dependency named Receive Report and Plan from Planning and Analysis, shown here by the black diamond, and they link it to all three tasks at the beginning of their project, making sure no work begins until they receive these documents from the other team on this program. Of course, this means that the planning and analysis team should also add an external dependency to mark the scheduled date when their reports are complete. This milestone, named Give Reports and Plan to Implementation, will be driven by the tasks that produce the documents. If these two projects are to remain separated, or even if they're combined from time to time to form an integrated master plan, it's important that the program has a method of ensuring the synchronization of the dates for these external dependencies. Sometimes these are referred to as inputs and outputs, cross-project dependencies, or givers and receivers. The red line connecting the black diamonds are used in this example to show these external dependencies, and the blue lines are used to show the dependencies that each project controls independently. Structured Solutions has the tools you need to manage these types of dependencies in an environment where subprojects are always separate Microsoft project files, or in an environment where subprojects are eventually combined or integrated as an integrated master plan, or even in an environment where they are combined, synchronized, and then reseparated or distributed back out as separate files. You'll find these tools in the multi-project group of the SSI Analysis Tools add-in menu in Microsoft Project. If subprojects are always kept as separate Microsoft project files to be owned and controlled by independent teams, you can use our Sync Remote Projects tools to browse for project files. Then you can post or get dates to or from remote projects. If you work in an environment where subprojects are eventually combined, you can use our Link Inputs and Outputs tool to find and synchronize external dependencies. Watch what happens to these two events when I click this button. Sometimes you may even want to combine, synchronize, and then reseparate or distribute projects back out as separate files. In this case, you can combine the use of Sync Remote Projects and Link Inputs and Outputs to get the job done. If you've got some time, I'd like to show you how these tools can help your team manage dependencies across subprojects. Just register for one of our live demonstrations using the link shown here. And as always, thanks again for watching.